Okay, hold on. Bias tape, necklines. This is the easiest way. You pin it to the edge with the open side facing the neck hole and on the right side, so the cute side of the garment. And then you're going to stitch all the way down that first little line, keeping it right there along the edge. Again, this is on the outside of what will become your dress. You're going to zoop, zoop, zoop all the way around, nice and neat. We love it. It's looking good. This part is so tedious because I want it to be absolutely perfect. I have this straight stitch foot on to really like help me focus on staying in that line. So once you make it all the way around, you are going to take it back over to your ironing board and you are going to do a little pressing. So here it is. I flipped it inside out and I'm pressing down the bias tape onto the inside. And then I'm zoop all the way around that edge on the inside. So now it is no raw edges, essentially. Okay, got it in place. I did one more press and then I added another stitch line right there where you can barely see it. I just feel like that second line makes it look a lot more finished. A-do-do-do-do-do-do. Thanks for wasting your time with me. Waste more time by liking and subscribing and watching another video. Thanks.